In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link on Squarespace. Getting started with Squarespace can be incredibly rewarding, especially when it comes to customizing your site with external links that can redirect your visitors to more of your online content or important resources. Whether you're linking to a partner site, your social media profiles, or an article, adding links is a fundamental skill you'll want to master. So let's dive into the process. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. It's here you'll begin the journey of adding your desired link to your Squarespace site. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see a login button prominently displayed, making it easy to proceed. Click on it to move forward. After clicking on the login button, Squarespace offers you the convenience of continuing with Google, which is an excellent option for quick access. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This will streamline your login process, especially if your Squarespace account is connected to your Google one. Now you should see a list of your Google accounts, or possibly just one. Click on the Google account you use for Squarespace. This action will verify your credentials and move you closer to the heart of your website's backend, where all the magic happens. Once successfully logged in, navigate to your website. You might have more than one site under your account, so make sure you select the correct one. The destination here is your website's dashboard, a central hub for all your editing needs. Upon reaching your dashboard, look for an Edit option. This is your gateway to making live changes to your site. Clicking this option will put you in edit mode, where you can select the specific element to which you want to add a link. It's all about pinpointing the exact spot where your new link will call home. In edit mode, your task is to locate the element that needs the hyperlink. It might be a piece of text, an image, or even a button. Once you've found it, search for the option to edit the link. This could be represented as a small icon that resembles a chain link. Click on it. Now you're ready to input your desired link. This could be any URL you want your visitors to be redirected to when they click on your selected element. Type it in with care, making sure it's accurate to avoid any broken links or misdirection. After entering your URL, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save option, which will secure your new link in place, ensuring visitors will be directed to the correct page when they interact with your chosen element. And that's it, you've successfully added a link to your Squarespace site. This process, once familiar, can be applied to various elements across your site, enhancing its navigability and enriching the user experience for your visitors. Remember, linking to relevant and informative content both inside and outside your site can greatly benefit your audience, making your site a more valuable resource. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to add a link on Squarespace. Happy linking and see you in the next video.